Hi there, and welcome to the Enlightened Super Trader Education special report. Today my topic will be mainly more about trust, why trust is an important element of successful trading. So, my question to you is, do you trust your trading system? Now, remember that trust creates confidence, that if you don't trust and believe in your system, you will have challenges building self confidence. Now, the biggest challenge every trader will always face is the unknowable future. Now, the future creates uncertainty, and no one likes uncertainty. Uncertainty creates fear, especially fear of losing, like the what ifs. So, if you experience this, then you know what I'm talking about, right? So, how do you trust your trading system? Well, the answer is actually simple. The question is, do you believe in your system? So, if you do believe in your system, then trust will come automatically. All right, here's a perfect example of a trade I did last week that was also reported in the trade alerts. This is basically dollar CAD based on a daily chart. And as you can see, price was consolidating in the area of demand 6 trading business days in a row. Right, so the question here is, how long does it really take in order for the price to reverse or to rebound? Well, depending on the way how you are educated in technical analysis and how you can read price action based on supply and demand. In my point of view, when something, or in this particular case, when price is consolidating, being tested all the time, and then the lows are not getting any lower, and it's going to create a new pivotal point, then, and also where the highs has broken past high. So if you can see here, that high broke through that high broke through 2 days in a row, high, third, fourth, fifth. So there's something there that indicating that price could have an opportunity, or based on probability, that is going to reverse, since it did break through specific supply levels. Alright, so as you can see here, this is where I bought. Now, do I trust my system? Absolutely. Why? Based on knowledge and based on skill. It's similar to sport, where I'll take my sport, taekwondo, for example. Now, if you've kicked more than 500,000 times a day, you will be able to create some form of memory that once you use that specific technique, that will just come to you naturally. Now, price action and technical analysis is also the same. Once you know how to read price action, you can identify supply and demand, and also you can identify proper trends. That it will be very easier based on probability on what the end result is going to be. Of course, we don't win all the time. However, as long as you follow the same process over and over again, then winning or losing doesn't really make a difference. It is mainly more about the process on how you do it consistently. Okay, so through here, create a new low, new high, and finally there's a clear breakout to the upside. Aside from trust, you also need to have patience in order for the price to materialize. And now from here you can see it very clearly based on the lows that it created a new low out of this whole downtrend right here. So the next logical explanation part of the series will be a new higher high. There's any new high, yes, but there is no lower highs yet, so that we won't be able to dictate whether that is really the last high or not of the whole series. And here we can see currently we have a new higher high, but price has decreased and reached a new level of supply. So we're going to wait a confirmation whether if the next high won't surpass the current high. Right, so this is where we're at today. Now, depending on what the price is going to do at the end of the closing, then if the high doesn't want to surpass the previous high, then we have a new pivoting point, basically in part of the new series from here now. Lower low, higher high perspective, lower high on the other hand, but overall still pretty much an uptrend It's just a correction, so we have a higher high, and next part of the series higher low, and then higher high somewhere sometime in the future. All right, this is it for me. I hope you enjoyed that. In terms of the important element, or one of the important elements of successful trading, is having the trust, believing in your trading system, believing in your skill, believing in yourself that you can do it, is one of the major elements to consistent profitability. All right, take care. Until next time, happy trading.